Hi friends, I am Dr. Mridul Chandra Das, consultant pediatric gastroenterology and hepatology and liver transplant physician, Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Gurugram. Today we are going to discuss about constipation in children. Constipation of more than 4 weeks duration is called chronic constipation. It is one of the common gastrointestinal causes in pediatric age group. And it causes significant anxiety to the parents. How the child with constipation manifests? The child with constipation manifests with reduced stool frequency. They passes stool every alternate day or may pass stool once in 3 to 4 days interval. The stool are typically hard in consistency, difficult to pass. Sometimes child passes stool every day, but they have to pass with increased straining. Sometimes child cries excessively while defecation. Sometimes they stands on their toes while passing stool. Sometimes child hide themselves behind the door or at the corner of the house while they have urge for the defecation. Child with constipation sometimes have pain abdomen also. Also they can have reduced food intake. What are the causes of constipation in children? Remember, almost 90% of children with constipation has functional causes. However, 10% of children has other causes like Hirschsprung disease, anorectal malformation, maybe slow transit constipation, maybe cow's milk protein allergy, or rarely can have gluten allergy. Parents of such children with constipation should consult pediatric gastroenterologist or experienced pediatrician who are well versed for managing such children. These children needs detailed clinical evaluation, physical examination, and limited blood investigation to find out the underlying cause. What is the treatment? The treatment of children with constipation depends on underlying etiology. As I said, majority of children with constipation has functional disease. This type of children requires counseling, medication for the long term, diet modification, and toilet training. Remember, ideal age for toilet training in children is 2 to 2.5 years of age. The toilet training should be proper. Too early toilet training or late toilet training, both are detrimental for children. Other than functional constipation, the children can have pathological causes of constipation. In that cases, treatment depends on underlying causes. Parents should keep in mind, almost all children with constipation can be salvaged or cured with the proper involvement of doctors and parents. Thank you.